All right, so let's focus on the part D of this numerical. The question is, at what angle should the pilot look to hit the target correctly? Now, this basically, confuses you because you start believing that the pilot has to aim for the target with his eyes and should shoot the bomb at the same angle he's looking at the bomb with his eyes. But that angle is actually very different. The actual way to look at this is that the bomb, when it strikes the target, strikes at an angle. So the projectile which was projected with 30 degrees, that was the angle at which it started. Now the angle at which it hits the target is the right angle to calculate. It is not the angle of the eye of the pilot which is being asked, but the angle at which the projectile hits the target which is being asked. So although the question gives you an impression which is very deceptive, be very careful that if you see the answer D, the correct answer is the angle at which the bomb hits the ground is being asked for. Thank you very much.